Let's have a look on the domains of application. The domains of homeopathy for plants is varied. So you have all possibilities to make your own experiences and to try. The outstanding of homeopathy is the fact that you may not find any product in the garden market to treat a weather damage or to treat intoxications. I will show and teach all the domains listed above during the next lessons. Today we have a look at the injuries, and we also have a look on weather damage, growth problems, pests, diseases, and intoxications during our upcoming lessons.